Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video we are going to learn how you can redeem your Nintendo Switch code online by going to the website, and we are going to learn how you can redeem the code really easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado delay, let us get started with today's tutorial. So in order to redeem your Nintendo Switch code online, what we want to do is we want to simply open our browser right from our home screen right over here. Once you open your browser, in the search box you want to head over to nintendo.com, nintendo.com, nintendo.com. Once you go to nintendo.com, you can see this is how the home interface of the website looks like. Now you want to make sure you are logged into the right Nintendo account, because if you go to the wrong account, you will not be able to transfer the code which you have redeemed. So make sure you are logged into the right account in which you want to redeem the code. So as you can see, this is how the home interface of the website looks like. Now in order to redeem our code, first thing again, as we said, we want to make sure you are logged in. Once you are signed into your account, on the top right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see your profile name. Over here you can see multiple options, but you want to simply tap on your profile name right over here. Once you tap on your profile name, here you'll be able to see multiple options such as wish list, order history, address book, and so on. And here you will find an option called redeem code. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on redeem code, and as you tap on redeem code, it will open a page in a new window where it will ask you to redeem and enter the code which you have received for your Nintendo account. Once you enter the code, you can tap on the apply or redeem now button. Once you tap on redeem, you'll have successfully redeemed your code on the Nintendo account. So make sure you have typed in everything correctly, because even if there is a single mistake, you will not be able to redeem the code. And once you do that, you can tap on redeem, and in this way you can really easily redeem your Nintendo online code very easily. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.